This is a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle, the year to have. I found it online and belonged to an older couple since it was new, and then another guy bought it drove it for a year or so, and then starter stopped working, and he never replaced it. So it looks a little sad, doesn't it? The body's straight. Looks like the front fenders aren't stock. These are supposed to be a 2-inch gap, 2-finger gap here, and it's like 3-4 fingers. So these aren't stock fenders, nor do I think these are stock headlamps. So it might have had some. I thought it meant front end damage, but there's no body work under the hood, and the bumper's okay. So I don't know what happened. Maybe got side hit. I don't know. Don't have the history. Obviously the wheels aren't stock. They're like aftermarket cheap chromies. I'm going to replace those with stock, paint them appropriate colors. This is going to be restored to original, best of my ability. I thought there was some body work done, but I pulled everything off the interior of the car. And there's no Bondo anywhere. So there's no Bondo under the hood, there's no Bondo in the front, there's no Bondo on this car that I can find. There's a few spots of rust back at the end of the rain drip here. There's some here, and there's some a little bit here on the other side. Obviously these need to be replaced, the bottom rocker panel step. Obviously the seats aren't stock, these are aftermarket. No, these are older model. I don't even know what they are. Frankly, I don't really care, because I'm going to put stock seats in. Originally it was black interior, which I considered going white, but their interior panels are still in good shape, so I'm just going to clean them and put new backer panels on them. Floor is solid, still got the original mats. I pulled out the carpet, but obviously needs new floor. Pedal pads. Needs a new headliner. Needs to be cleaned thoroughly, obviously. I'm going to put some liner in here, sound deadening in the back. I've been watching a lot of online videos as far as resources and sources for parts and supplies. So probably going to use a combination of, Wolfsburg, J-Bugs, and CIP1. Battery tray needs to be cleaned and rust proofed. It's still solid. What else? Obviously needs a good cleaning of the glass. It's gonna need all new seals. It looks like it was repainted at one time. You see the bad tape job. Still got the stock 1500 engine. Not plate. Forget my terminology. I'm not up to par on terminology. I haven't owned a Bug since 86 or 7. A lot of Carmen Ghias. I had a 67 in college, which was primo, belonged to an older couple, which we got at a great deal. But time goes and you sell things you regret. I regretfully sold a Volkswagen 23 window bus for $350. I bought it for like $5 or $7.50 back in those days, back in the early 80s, and the transaction went out, sold it for what I could get. Now it's worth a fortune. Anyway, bumper needs to be re-chromed. These are not the stock exhaust. Back fenders are decent. This one's got a dent The other one has some dents. I don't know if it's cheaper to replace those or fix them. So there's a little bit of rust here. This rocker panel's straight. So anyway, that's project number 2, and look forward to seeing the. Let me pull up the hood. You could see everything. Sorry, gotta trim some of that molding. Okay, it's already cold. Sorry about that. I'm pulling out the radio. It's all pretty clean in here. There's no rust or Bondo anywhere in here. So I'm just gonna clean this and wax it up. I don't want to repaint the inside at all, but I'm gonna pull all the fenders, put new fender trim on, re-chrome it, and get it back to stock original condition.